Now that we have created a format in JMagic and added a static text field, this tutorial is going to go over adding a date and a timestamp to your format. The date and timestamps are two separate fields, so we'll start with the date field. First, you want to go back and click on the Create a Text Field button, and then click again on your canvas where you'd like the text field to be placed. Now for the date format, you are going to need to change the field name to date. Once you have changed that, you will come down to the length and specify a length of 6. This is for 2 characters for the month, 2 characters for the day, and 2 characters for the year. You will specify a decimal value of 0. Once you have done that, you can change the font and point level if you'd like, and then click on the Font tab. Once you are on the Font tab, you will come down to the Field Editing section, and then you will choose the Edit Code menu and scroll down until you see the Date Edit Code. Once you have set that, you can click OK. You now have your date field on your format. Now whenever you print this format, the format will print with the date that the format is printed. Now we're going to go ahead and add the time field. Go ahead and click the Create a New Text field again, and then again click on your format where you want the time field to be displayed. Change the field name or type to time. This time we're going to change the length to 4, 2 for the hour and 2 for the minute, and the decimals again will be 0. Change the font and point if you'd like, and then click on the Font tab. Come back down to the Field Editing and change the edit code to a time edit code. There are 2 different time edit codes that can be chosen: the time in AM/PM format and the time in 24-hour format. I'm going to choose the time in AM/PM format. Once you have finished, you can click OK. Now you have the date and time successfully on your format. Now that you have added more fields, it is a good opportunity to go ahead and save your format. In this button here, you can click to save a format, and you will see a pop-up that shows that you have successfully saved your format and then the format name. For the sake of time, I've already printed this out to illustrate the date and time. As you can see, the date of 10/23/15 and time of 2:12 p.m. was printed with my format. Thank you.